Hello and a warm welcome to my channel where I keep regularly updating ideas on stocks and on Nifty. Now, today's video is based on a model portfolio which I have started of my own. I'm making it on the basis of closing prices of December 6th. The model portfolio capital is blocked at 10 lakhs. It will not exceed. I will not try to go above at any time an exposure of more than 30 stocks. These are purely based on technicals, mainly the studies of multi-time frame based analysis of Ichimoku and harmonic trading patterns derived from Fibonacci, and a few other technical studies here. They are not. I have not done them on a from a basis of derivative trading or margin funding. Will be purely bought in cash against capital, and I will keep focusing on the aspects of why I'm buying and how I'm going to go about it. So let me just share the idea of how I'm going about it. Now, uh, a disclaimer before I go ahead, this is completely free. I am not offering or charging any portfolio management services. If you are to take any trade or copy this model or portfolio in whichever aspect you like, please do your study properly before taking a decision on whether you want to do it. You could completely reject it also. It's a totally educational video based on how one can go about. It's a model portfolio for short, medium to long term investing. So let's start with the list of stocks which I have selected and I will be talking on. So the first of the list is Blue Dart Express. Now, Blue Dart is was also there in my what do you call Diwali 2024 picks. I've given it the highest capital exposure, as you can see on the top and right hand corner, percentage exposure to capital based on a capital of 10 lakhs model portfolio. Then I have M&M, Auto Giant. Then Sona BLW Precision, stock which was there in my vision 2024 and also is a new entrant in the FNO space and the new 45 stocks which have been added from December 2024. Then there is Wellspun Living, which is also there in the Diwali pick. Then I have Hindustan Copper, which was there in my Vision 2024 pick. Then comes Bank of India, JNK, Jammu Kashmir Bank. Then small caps, Jyoti Structure and Greaves Cotton have also been added. You can notice that the order of the stocks which I put in are in basis of percentage of exposure that way. So the highest being Blue Dart, and as we go ahead downwards, the percentage exposure is slightly lower as we go ahead. Then there is Union Bank of India, which was also a part of my Diwali 2024 stock pick, makes it back to this list also. And then I have Whirlpool, which I feel is has bottomed out. Both Whirlpool looks like a stock which has got tremendous potential. So that's, but I have started with a lower exposure. As you can see, you could have said that why such a low exposure here and more exposure there, because I feel it is just turning around. There could be some periods of consolidation, or once it starts breaking on the upside, I will keep adjusting the stock exposures accordingly. Then there is GMDC, which is metal play, again a stock which I feel is a long, very, very long sideways correction seems to be ending. Then there is again another PSU Bank, Central Bank of India. So I've gone a bit heavy on PSU Bank long because I feel the PSU Bank space is extremely bullish for the coming year and for the few months. So I'm going to stick with them. Again, graphite was in the news a couple of days ago. And if you look at the monthly charts, it's a massive triangle which appears to have ended and could give us solid upside potential. Again, because it's still inside the triangle, I am going to go a bit slow in accumulation. Add slowly, steadily. It's had a massive spike a couple of days back, so don't want to go in with a huge quantity at one time. Would like to accumulate. Then there is Bajaj Hindustan. I have been bullish on sugar for the last few years. Remain bullish on sugar. Bajaj Hindustan was also my pick of Diwali 2023. I continue to be very bullish there. Again, this model portfolio is totally from scratch, fresh. So starting with a small quantity, we'll keep looking at it and add more as days progress. Then there is Imami. Imami was a part of my Vision 2024 stock. Still remains there. I feel FMCG has a lot of upside potential still to take place in the market, and so I've taken that into consideration. There were other FMCG stocks also, but I think Imami has got again. It has some probability of might dip down a bit more after the huge monthly breakout it has given. So we'll keep adding accordingly. I'm not going to. That's why I said it's not for margin funding trading or derivative trading where timing has to be too precise. This is for cash based buying and for short, medium to long term, where I keep the thing with myself where I can accumulate more and change the percentage of allocation of capital accordingly in the stock. Now you can see that I have gone heavy with three stocks: Blue Dart, M&M, and Sona BLW Precision Sonacom, and then it's slightly less in Wellspun, Hindustan Copper, Bank of India, JNK, and Jyoti Structure. So eight stocks taking bulk of the exposure of the portfolio, and the balance eight at less than 2% each. So more heavy there. Total exposure right now at 88.56% of the capital, still 12% cash in hand, which I will try to add more as the time comes. Maybe a new stock, maybe I will add to these stocks also. I will keep updating this portfolio list ideally once a month. If I do some major changes, then I'll do it twice a month, where as and when I see changes happening, and I will try to make adjustments accordingly. If I exit part or if I've exited full, or I've added a new stock, accordingly I will be doing these changes and updating them. Now, I would love a feedback from you all on regarding this model portfolio thing. What do you think about it? What columns would you like me to add, or what features, more information you would like me to add to this list? I know some of you would say that why these stocks and why not XYZ other stocks, though, because it's a huge universe of 2000 plus stocks. So our stocks may not tally, and that's the beauty of the market. But what I would like to know is that if a particular stock from that list I have made and you don't see the potential of it rising, and you feel no, it would further down, whether it is a technical or fundamental reason, you can also put that in the feedback comments. And overall, do let me know what you think of it. And I hope this model portfolio idea is of help to you. And so please do like it, share it, and do subscribe me for regular such ideas. Until then, happy trading and happy investing.